Hello friends, welcome to the hash tables module. In this module we will learn the concepts of hash table. So first of all, let me explain what is hash table. Hash table is the mapping of a larger database onto a smaller table. So we use some hash function to map larger values to a smaller table. In this process, for example, we have student roll number IDs. So each student is assigned a roll number. So this is a hash function. Each student's name is hashed to a roll number. So let me show an example. So suppose this is my hash table represented by array. Now in this example, my hash table maps to a table of size 8. Now an example hash table hash function will be hash of x will be x mod table size, which is 8 in this case. So now if I want to hash a new value, say I want to hash 27. If I want to hash 27, then it will be mapped to 27 mod 8, which is
3.
So now I will go to the box of
3.
and there I will place 27. So this is the idea behind hash table. We use some hashing function to map a larger database into a smaller database. So this is a very useful concept, and if we have two elements mapping to same block of hash table, then we need to use something called collision resolution, which we will learn in next module. For now start exploring this concept in practice artifact and exercise artifact. Thank you.